Hello everybody, welcome to the review of Fiverrlicious. It's Carl here, and today I'm really excited. I'm feeling very good to show you all the stuff. I'm so excited, having the good weather on my back, sitting here in my kitchen. But now it's about you and how you can make a very good side income. And the reason why I'm so excited is because I want to give you my own Fiverr gig away for free, and with this Fiverr gig I made thousands of dollars, and I really don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm sure you need it more than I do, right? Because I have other stuff. I made very good money online and I have so much other stuff going on, and it's a nice income, but I really want to show you how to do it here on Fiverr. And my bonuses I will show you in a few minutes will make this product so much more valuable. It's a very good product, but with my bonuses you will definitely crush it, because at least the first bonuses you get my gig, and this gig, as you can see, made me a lot of money. Like, just take it, copy it, do the same. I will tell you what I did, and you will build your business very fast, get very good feedback and ratings. People will love what you give them, and most important, you will give something away and you don't need to spend much time on it. Maybe like 5 to 10 minutes a day, and you will make a lot of money. So as I said, the product Fiverrlicious is very good, but with my bonuses you will love it. Anyway, first of all, we will go to the sales page, have a quick look at the sales page. Then we go to the membership area, look what they teach, or what Bobby teaches. And then we will have a look at the upgrades and if they're worth it or not. And then I will show you my bonuses. I'm very excited for that. So let's start. Okay. So that's my proof here, right? So, but I said I want to show you the other stuff. That's the sales page of Fiverrlicious. I really like their the video here, or you can watch it yourself if you like. My internet is a bit slower today. Anyway, good stuff here. Good sales letter, but it's about the content, right? So let's see, income proof from Bobby. Yeah, he really made the money he's claiming. Yeah, well, take a look yourself. It's a good, nice sales letter, but most important, we want to take a look at the membership area. Before I forget it, what is Fiverr? Fiverr is a platform, a freelancer platform, where many people share a lot of stuff. They do everything. They do like logo design, video production, web design, IT in general. Do some stupid stuff like singing your birthday song or holding a sign in the jungle, and just selling some guides or whatever. You can find everything on Fiverr. And I use Fiverr for about 2 years now, maybe 3 years, I'm not sure. I really had a good time there. And yeah, you can, if you want to outsource something, I definitely recommend you to, and Bobby will show you the same, I guess, because you will make a lot of money with no effort, so always outsource the stuff. Yeah, that's what Fiverr is about, and it's a really big brand, and a lot of people use that, so make sure to check it out. Sorry for that. Let's go to the inside area of the course. That's the introduction of the course. And we have the overview, basically just about the system itself and how it really works. Yeah, that's he will show you the system and why it really works and what's most important about it. Then we have the let's get started video. He will show you how to set everything up. Then we have the Fiverr levels video. We have different levels, and I guess with my with my bonus you will reach a better level very soon, because you get lots of sales with the stuff I'm showing you. But we will do the same. He will show you some stuff inside here. Then we have the let's outsource. That's basically about that you should outsource the stuff, that you don't have to do all the work yourself, because it's too much work to do yourself. You can do it yourself, but always make sure to use the average effect. So you outsource it to someone who might charge $5 for it, and you sell it for $10. So you always make the profit. You just give it away, get it back, and sell it. You're just a middleman, and that's fine. You don't have to work to do the work. You just keep the money. Sorry again. I was a bit sick the last days. Yeah, the next video is about putting everything together, sales letter, how to write a sales letter, how to set it up, how to find a nice picture for the gig. A gig is basically what you sell, like your product you sell. The gig is, or the service you sell, the product you sell, that's the gig. Here's more about the setup and how to set everything up in the right way. I don't know why my internet is so slow today. Using video for more views. Well, this one is important because it's a difference in between having a nice picture or having a nice video, but you can create the video yourself or create it for $5. So make sure to check out this video. Here I need to get some water. I'm back in a second. I'm back with the water. Well, say this gig is about using, or Bobby will show you his gig, what he's doing to make, how he made in a short time, how he made this $6,000 with no effort. And that's their conclusion here. So basically, there are a lot of videos, and there are like, no, not a lot, there are like, how many are they? Like 8 videos, 9, 10 videos, but that's what's all about, right? You need to keep it simple. There's so much potential inside. So if you take my method, or my bonus number 1, you have everything set up. And then you take the stuff from Bobby, you will scale it up to our 5-figure business. Just put some effort in it. Focus on one stuff which works, and you will be fine. Like so many people just go around and say, oh, I want to do money with affiliate marketing. They spend like 1 hour into this. Oh, it doesn't work. Now I'm going to Fiverr. Oh, I spent half hour on this. It doesn't work. Then you go to pay-per-click campaigns. Oh, it doesn't work. Like, take your method, focus on it, and with this product and my bonuses, I can promise you, you will make a very nice side income. And that's basically it. And now I want to show you, before I show you my bonuses, how, like, with my bonuses, you will learn how to drive traffic to your gigs. Also very important stuff. But before we go to my bonuses, I want to show you the upgrades of Fiverrlicious. Option number 1 is an advanced strategy that Bobby uses when he needs a little more money on demand. This secret hack enables him to pull in anywhere between 50 to over 100 each time he uses it. So it's like an ATM, right? The entire advanced system has been condensed into just one video, so you can get results super fast. And I don't know how you're feeling, but when I see a course and there are so many videos with half an hour of 40 minutes and so many videos after video, I get tired and I won't watch the course until the end, because I think I don't have the time for that. So it's pretty cool that he compromised his advanced strategy. So make sure to check out upgrade number 1. Then we have upgrade number 2, which is a complete course itself, created by Trevor, a good buddy of mine. And this is a VIP training. This will take you by the hand. It's literally like sitting them down with Trevor while he guides you through every step of his journey, including all of his steps, tricks, strategies for making it online fast. Trevor went from 0 to hero in under 2 years and has pulled together the exact steps that he uses to his day to maintain his success. Well, Trevor is a very nice guy. He has a family, a house and everything, and he made a fortune the last months. Like, he really know what he's doing. So make sure to listen to him, apply what you learn, and yeah, to crush it with him. The last one is upgrade number 3, which is our how do you say, 100% license rights product. So you just keep 100%, you promote this product and you keep 100% throughout the funnel. It's your product from this moment on. You will sell it as your product and you keep 100%. And I know, like, I created products in the past, and my first product took me months, and it was a very long time, and it was so annoying. And it's like $67, and it will save you so much time. You just have to sell it one time and you will make the money back. You will make more than the money back you spent on the upgrade number 3. So I don't know, if you ever try to make your own products, you will know how much time you spent into this. So make sure to check out upgrade number 3. Seriously, I think all of them are very, very good. As upgrade number 1 is the one strategy. I'm not sure what he's teaching, but I can imagine he will show you how you promote the gigs and make the money on demand. And upgrade number 2, of course, is from Trevor. I don't know what he said, but I think it was like almost 3 hours content. It's very valuable content because he know what he's doing. Upgrade number 3, of course, yeah, sell it as your own product, keep all the money. I'm not sure it's for you. If you're not promoting stuff, maybe it's not for you, but if you have a following somewhere on Facebook, YouTube, your blog, or email list, it's definitely for you. Just make sure to check all the upgrades. Well, so before I go to my bonuses, I will say something about the product. So the process, I know Fiverr, you can crush it with Fiverr. It's a nice platform, it's a lot of fun, and Bobby will show you what he did, and he is proven stuff. So make sure to watch this, and yeah, you can scale Fiverr to the sky. You just need a bit fantasy and say, okay, you have this gig, would you maybe modify this gig and add another gig, and you can add so many gigs and it will make you more and more money. So it's highly scalable. What I don't like about this is that he don't show how to make traffic to that, but I'm convinced that on the other side, I'm convinced that he will show it to you in upgrade number 1. And I will show it to you in my bonus gigs, so make sure to check this out. I have the ultimate traffic guide. Also, the gigs are listed on Fiverr, so people will scroll through the gigs and see your gigs. So actually, it's not a disadvantage. Just in the front end, I didn't saw so far that there's anything of that covered, but you will have my bonus stuff, so you shouldn't care about it. I will show you how to drive the traffic there. Let's go to my bonuses. Bonus number 1, as I told you, that's insane, because I will give you my proven gig for free. And as I told you, I have so many other things going on, so many other streams. I want to focus on 3, and yeah, well, Fiverr made me very good money, but it's time to say goodbye at some point. And I want to give you my gig. I will give you my sales copy, the gig picture. You can modify the sales copy if you like. And most important, I will give you the gig I sold to all the people. And this gig will, what I'm selling them will give you good reputation. They will give you good ratings, and you can use it for other gigs. So make sure to check out bonus number 1, the done for you gig. It's insane. It's really insane what I'm giving here. But anyway, I will show you other bonuses. Bonus number 2 is our tutorial turning $5 into real internet riches. It's our guide I have for you. Then we have bonus number 3, the ultimate traffic guide. And yeah, as I said, I'm not sure if the traffic is covered in the front end, but it's covered in my bonus, so you're at advantage anyway if you buy it through my link. So make sure to buy it through my link. And here's the video marketing guide I created for you. Bonus number 4. Bonus number 5 is the boost conversion. That's important because you really want a high conversion rate in the gigs, and here are some proven strategy how to increase your conversion. So make sure to check out bonus number 5. Sorry. So that's basically it. Here you'll find the bonuses. When you buy the product through my link, the link below the video, you will find your bonus access, affiliate bonus access below the main access. So there's the blue button below the green button, and there is your bonus packages. Yeah, that's basically it. I hope I will summarize everything for you. Yeah, Fiverr is a great platform. I really like Fiverr. I had a great time on Fiverr, made a lot of money, and I will give it away to you. You can really scale it to the sky. The training itself have a very good quality, and Bobby knows what he's doing. He made a small fortune on Fiverr, and he will show you step by step what he did. So it's a really good training, and the updates or the upgrades itself are well available, and my bonuses, of course, are very valuable. So everybody, in general, as I said, choose a method, focus on the method, and stay to the method, apply what you learn, and crush it with the method. And this method is the Fiverr method. So make sure to get access below this video, through the link below this video. I will go out now and go to my girlfriend's brother's birthday party. So have a nice day and all the best, Carl.